Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here let's start with the connections. So just tap on this first option. Then let's go to more connection settings and tap on Private DNS. Even though it is set on automatic, let's set it Private DNS provider hostname. And here, let's tap on this enter hostname of DNS provider and enter dns.adguard.com. And no, it's not instead. It should be DNS. All right, and tap on save. And thanks to using this private DNS, you will simply limit the advertisements. Another thing that you can do in the settings is to turn off the personalization of the advertisements. So let's scroll all the way down, maybe almost all the way, because we have to find Google services. Let's tap and go to all services. Here, let's go to privacy and security and tap on ads. And basically, for some reason, it doesn't show in my case. It doesn't show proper options, but I will simply explain it to you. So here we will have something which is called advertising ID. We can reset and remove it. And advertising ID works just like a spy, let's say. So for example, you were looking for a specific item, like, I don't know, for a lamp because you wanted to buy it to your living room. So you were looking for it and you liked a specific one. And after that, your device will show you advertisements with this specific lamp or this specific lamp with different offers, different prices, different variations, or something which is somehow connected with the lamp. So this is how the advertising ID works. It just gathers the information, and after that, based on the information, it will show you the advertisements. So I highly recommend to simply tap on Reset Advertising ID and then Delete Advertising ID. To remove the personalizations. It will not necessarily change the number of advertisements that you will see, but for sure it will remove the personalization. Another thing I highly recommend to do is to remove the notifications, because sometimes we've got some kind of apps that are showing us the advertisements right here in this notification center. So if you don't really need the notifications from this specific app, I highly recommend to remove to turn off the notifications completely. All you have to do is to tap on the app and hold it, and then go to this info icon. Now just go to notifications, and as you can see in my case, they are blocked, but usually this is what you will see. So allow notifications, and all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher at the very top to block the notifications. And as a last resort, I also wanted to remind you about the ad blocks, and I know that it might be obvious for you, but I just wanted to mention that. Let's go to Play Store, let's go to search, and here enter ad block, because you can not only download and find the ad blocks that are targeted to a specific app, like for example the browser, like here the browser blocker, browser, etc. But you can also find the blockers for the whole content, for example, Android content or the content blocker, etc. So I highly recommend to check all of the available options. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.